Tarotist Maggie Norton, and here I am bringing you the Tarot card of the week. This is a card to help inspire you throughout the week to be the best you that you can be. The card of the week is the Eight of Swords. What we have at the Eight of Swords is we have the ability, first of all, we have the ability to focus. You've attained a level of mastery over some spiritual affirmations or things that you really become aware and clear about in your mind. Usually you have made a commitment to forward progress and to a certain direction in life. Okay, doesn't mean it's for the rest of your life, it's just for this moment in time. And what we see at the Eight of Swords is you have to be diligent in applying your tools so that you can attain what it is that you've made a commitment to, the path that you're walking, the path that you're on. A lot of us have these amazing spiritual affirmations that we forget to apply in our daily life. The Eight of Swords says, hey, are you committed to this way of being, this way of thinking? Are you going to be a spiritually attuned person? Then apply those affirmations, apply your teachings, apply what it is you've committed yourself to be in life. It's not a time where we sit back. It's a time where we are ready to achieve. We're ready to really make some headway in what it is that we believe. Okay, so think about that as you move forward. The Eight of Swords is going to offer you an ability to reap the rewards of having mastered a level of conscious thought. Okay, which means maybe you've been doing some reprogramming of old ways of thinking and replacing them with really spiritual, positive ways of thinking. Now, let's take that a step further. Let's keep going with the Eight of Swords and keep applying to that belief system so that we can reprogram our minds to think the way that will be productive for us. Never forget that the number 8, says as above, so below. It's the number of the infinity symbol. So the thoughts that you can have on a spiritual level, you can bring into your physical existence. Okay, here at the Eight of Swords, we bring it through the channel of the mind, the channel of the level of conscious thought. Okay, so enjoy the Eight of Swords. If you have any questions on it, just give me a holler. And until next week, enjoy your week. Take care.